I'm on my way to Lake Worth, Florida. Today is the Day of the Dead festival that they are doing up there. By the way, if you know Lake Worth, Florida, it's befitting that this is where the festival is going to be held. It's a very Latin area. So what is Day of the Dead? Well, it's not Mexican Halloween. Let's get that out of the way. What it is, rather, is a day of remembrance for people lost in their life. And you think of them and you memorialize them, basically, whether it be making an ofrenda, which is an altar.
So you can see behind me, that is the ofrenda.
This is pretty cool and about as Mexican as it gets. I've stumbled upon an actual torteria making the fresh, warm tortillas right now that are getting supplied to all the restaurants and the vendors making the tacos. This is Pan de Muerto, translating to Day of the Dead bread. I'll say it again, I love the car scene up here. If you want to check out more of that, go to Third Pedal Metal, which is my car channel. Ooh, I got some free hot sauce samples. So I guess this video is now sponsored. So that's the mariachi music you're hearing. I absolutely love that music. These papers hanging in the air are papeles picados, and they're evocative of spirits. So there's a lot of food trucks here today, and the food is fantastic. It's a Day of the Dead cake, it's tacos, it's corn, it's things basted in chili powder and chicharron and everything in between. So this woman you may have seen before is La Calavera Catrina, a very imposing and famous symbol of Day of the Dead. This is how Latin this neighborhood is. Lavanderia. I feel like I'm in Guatemala or Mexico. And it wouldn't be Mexican culture in Florida combined with cars without lowriders. Here's more of the lowrider show that was spilling out into the street. This couple here in their traditional Dia de los Muertos garb is beautiful. All right, now I'm back inside looking at more papeles picados and ofrendas and other Day of the Dead things like skulls, calaveras, and I love it. They got a big line.
has been a pretty good time. There's a bigger turnout here than I expected. There's people all over Florida and in some cases all over the world.
I'm Brad Hines in Lake Worth. Until next year.